Let's get started. First, open the Start menu. Type Check for Updates. Click on it. Now click Check for Updates. Make sure your system is fully up to date. Install any pending updates. Now we're going to fully close Logitech G Hub. Go to the bottom right of your taskbar. Click on the arrow to show hidden icons. Find Logitech G Hub, right-click it, and select Quit. Once it's closed, open the Start menu again. Search for Logitech G Hub. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. This will relaunch G Hub and may fix the issue. If the problem is still not fixed, open the Start menu. Type Add or Remove Programs. Click on it. Scroll down and find Logitech G Hub. Click on the three dots next to it. Select Modify. Click Yes. Now choose Reinstall G Hub. Click Reinstall. Wait for the process to complete. After reinstalling, open Logitech G Hub again and check if it's working. The loading screen issue should now be fixed.